Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the terrestrial vessels on the map on the VesselFinder application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the All Vessels button at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the arrow, and here click to the second option, the terrestrial, and the terrestrial vessels are displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.